welcome back to my channel. I know I'm really dramatic, I couldn't even record an intro. Today I'm gonna show you how I catfish nowadays. It's been forever since I posted videos on my channel, I apologize. I got tons of questions about my hair, my makeup and how did my aesthetic changed. And today I'm gonna be answering to the questions and some assumptions while I set my wig.
Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna tie my hair up and gonna answer the questions. Why did you change your aesthetic too earlier? My aesthetic changed with my hairstyle and stuff. What is your aesthetic right now? I don't really know what aesthetic do I have. It's not even goth or edgy or grunge or even not even emo, so I can't really tell what kind of aesthetic that is. Have you ever felt so insecure about your short hairs? Yes, actually I did a lot of times. I don't really know how to style that short hair. I do whatever I could and I feel like that doesn't look good on me at all, and that is why I wanted to buy a wig. Someone gifted me. I'm really glad about it and I'm gonna buy more wigs. I might feel really insecure sometimes with it, but it looks good on me and I really love that. It is different than other hairstyles I've ever had, but that looks good. Why did you cut your hairs? It's okay, I have a video about it on my YouTube. You can check it out and the link will be in the description. You're an fake emo. Okay, first of all, if you think that changing my aesthetic changes my life, I can't really help that. You said you would not post lewds, so what now? I did not post any lewds. You're simply sexualizing me. I'm a minor.
Also, someone wanted me a makeup tutorial as well, but I'm not sure if I should make it. My makeup makes no sense.
I wanna quick apologize for not posting any videos with my pink hair. Yesterday I just dyed my hair black again and I feel really bad about it that I couldn't make any video with that hair. I actually had more questions to answer, but I guess I will end up answering them later because I don't know how long that video will be if I add them.
Washed away, washed away, let